In this video guys, I will be sharing with you how you can send an e-transfer using the Tangerine mobile app. So once you're in the account, what you want to do is select Move Money. Here you're going to select Send Interact e-transfer. You're going to select the From account. From the drop down, you may not have any contacts, so you're going to add contact, right? So I'm going to select Add Manually. So here I'm going to add myself as a contact. So once you add the contact information, select Add Contact. Here specify the amount that you want to send. So let's say $25. Well, that's 50. Select the date that you want to make the transfer. Enter a security question, right? Then you're going to provide an answer for that security question and then select Continue. So that's pretty much how you send an e-transfer using the Tangerine mobile app. So that's for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.